Bank reconciliation is a process that compares and matches a company book with their bank statement. This process helps businesses maintain accurate accounting records, detect potential errors, fraud, and any cash manipulations in the book statement. With Financio and RHB integration, you can simplify the bank reconciliation process. Let us show you how. Head over to the Control panel. Click on Accounting and select the Balance Sheet Accounts. Click on the drop-down icon of Bank or Cash Equivalents. Next, navigate to your RHB bank account, click on the drop-down arrow and select Reconcile. On the reconciliation page, pay attention to your opening and closing information. If this is your first reconciliation, the opening date will be your Financio starting date. If this is your second reconciliation, the opening date will be the next following day from the closing date. Over here, you can see your last reconcile balance and the current available bank balance. You can also click here to refresh the live bank balance. Proceed to key in the closing date, and the reconcile balance will automatically be populated based on the matching transaction. When you scroll down, you will see bank transactions on the left and Financio transactions on the right. On the left, the transaction list is auto-feed into Financio based on your RHB reflex statement. Financio automatically matches them based on the date and the total amount. For any transaction that has a different date but the same amount, you will need to select which transaction to match. Reconcile the rest of the transaction and make sure both closing balances has the same amount. Click Reconcile to complete the process. And that's it, you're done. Good job. Connect your RHB bank accounts with Financio and watch all your bank transactions sync accurately and securely. Reconciliation process no longer a tedious, lengthy task. Connect and try it today. Financio, accounting made easy.